So a reminder, 53, you can look to the work in the back of the book to follow through with those. Let us check out number 56. Okay. Number 56 talks about this cereal company. Right? Number 56 talks about this cereal company. Right? And it says the amount of cereal follows a normal distribution. Right? So I'll say X is approximately normal, mu of 9.70, and sigma of 0.03. Right? Whenever you write this notation, be clear about what is mu, be clear about what is sigma, so you can get your points. Right? So that's our information that we know. Okay. What is the probability of randomly selected box of cereal? So one box contains less than 9.65 ounces, right? So that's going to be the probability that X is less than 9.65. And if you want, you can think of it as the sample size is 1. It is one box, right? Of course, we know that we need to do our conversion, so that's going to be the same as the probability that Z is less than negative 1.67. Right? And using our table or using our calculator, we calculate that value to be 0.0478. Okay. Now, what if I take a simple random sample of 5 boxes, right? So what if I do 5 boxes? So what if n is equal to 5? Now what's the probability, right? Well, in this case, x bar, the sample mean, its sample distribution will also be approximately normal because we come from a normal distribution. So our sample size, even though it's small, doesn't matter. It comes from a normal distribution, right? Sample size of 1 doesn't matter. Comes from a normal distribution. And we have 9.70 as our mean. And we have 0.03 all over the square root of 5 as our standard deviation. Right? So this right here is mu sub x bar, and this right here is sigma sub x bar. Right? These formulas are on your formula sheet. So we want to find out with that information the probability that x bar is less than 9.65, which is the probability that Z is less than negative 3.73. Right? And if we do that on our calculator, we have 0.0001 approximately. Right? 0.0001. Okay? So once again, therefore, very unlikely. All right? For those of you that still need a little bit of help with the z-scores, right? Remember that the z-score, right, for x bar would be 9.65 minus 9.70 divided by 0.03 all over the square root of 5. And if you put that into your calculator, you get negative 3.73. Okay? What I might suggest to you in doing this on your calculator is to make use of the fraction. Right? So if I come over here and I use alpha y equals, I can get the fraction notation. Right? And I can say 9.65 minus 9.70 in the numerator. Right? Arrow down. 0.03 divided by root 5 in the denominator. Right, press enter, and there is your negative 3.73. Students tend to make less mistakes when they use this fractional notation. Okay, so that was number 56. And 57, you can do the work, check your answers in the back of the